Mainers still have a chance to volunteer to test a shot against Lyme disease. Pfizer and a French company, Valneva, are developing the vaccine. If it's approved, it would be the first Lyme-fighting vaccine in 20 years.
Enrollment for adults in the blind study is nearly full, but researchers need volunteers 5 to 18 to sign up, especially kids who spend a lot of time outdoors in tick-infested areas. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee shows us in this report.
Phase 3 clinical trials of the world's only vaccine candidate against Lyme disease have been underway for several months. Pharmaceutical giant Pfizer and Valneva SE, a French specialty vaccine maker, hope to enroll 6,000 participants in mobile clinics across New England and other parts of the country. Spread by a bite from a deer tick, Lyme can cause a rash and symptoms including fever, chills, and joint pain. If not treated quickly, serious conditions can occur, but there are some restrictions to being in the trial.
If they've had a tick bite recently, then basically have to wait for a few weeks before they can enroll.
Alex Eastman is the vice president of Care Access, a Boston-based company managing the clinics. He says people who've had the one FDA-approved vaccine known as LymeRix, which was pulled in 2002 over side effects, can enroll in the study. Also, slots for adults are nearly full.
We're getting close to the adult enrollment, but there's still an opportunity for kids or really families with kids to participate.
High enrollment in other states canceled a planned clinic in South Portland, but patients can still travel to sites in Londonderry, New Hampshire, and Rockland, Massachusetts, the closest locations to Maine. There are also tentative plans to run a site out of a pediatrician's office in Farmington, but nothing has been finalized.
And hopefully eradicate or knock down Lyme disease is this vaccine, in my opinion.
Dr. Sean McCloy is a family medicine doctor who treats Lyme and tick-borne infections at Integrative Health Center of Maine. He encourages patients and parents to talk to their doctors before enrolling in the trial. In a news release earlier this month, both companies didn't report any serious side effects or safety issues from the first 2 phases of the trial. The shot contains 3 different proteins found in the pathogen that causes Lyme.
And it's making your immune system get ready to attack that bacteria if you ever get a tick bite.
There are some days where I'm like, I'm dead to the world.
Carlene Hoffman suffered from debilitating fatigue, pain, depression, and suicidal thoughts for 15 years, seeking help from numerous doctors before being diagnosed with late-stage Lyme. Most of her symptoms have improved, but she still has lingering issues, and she isn't ready to be part of the trials and questions the timing.
Why didn't this happen years ago?
The trial, meanwhile, requires 3 different shots, one given on the first visit and another 60 days later. Another shot will be administered prior to tick season in the spring of 2023, and another booster the following year. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
If the phase 3 study results are positive, the vaccine is expected to be submitted for FDA approval in 2025. If you would like more information on how to enroll, just go to our website or our mobile app.